This one's a multiple choice question, guys. It's about trig functions, and as a multiple choice question you would realise that you would therefore be in a technology enabled exam, which means that you would have your CAS handheld device available to you. Alright, now we're looking for the smallest positive value of x for which tan of minus 2x equals 1. Looks a bit confusing, this minus 2x bit in here, but not when we chunk it down and demystify it. So the first thing I would do anyway would be looking at the period of this thing. What is its period, and what is this minus sign doing here? And that'll basically just unravel all the mystery for us. First thing is, the period of tan 2x is pi over 2. It's pi over whatever this number here is, so pi over 2. So this graph is squashed into half of the normal width which a tan function would take up to get through one period. Now the other thing is we've got to look at this minus sign. This minus sign here, guys, means that it's reflected left to right. Okay, left to right. So therefore it's reflected about the y-axis. Okay, so you've got to get into your head, what does that mean? Okay, a little graph here for you to show you. So instead of the graph basically going up here to the asymptote and then on the other side of the asymptote going from down there up to the 0 point, it does the reverse. It goes down, and then on the other side of the asymptote it goes to the 0 point here. Alright, and we're looking for the point when the graph, the y value, has a value of 1, aren't we? So you can see, you start here, you get through half a period, no luck yet. Then in this half of the period we're hitting pay dirt here, right? This is where the y value is 1. That's always going to be for a tan graph with a coefficient of 1 out here, 1 times tan of minus 2x equals 1. That's always going to be halfway between the asymptote and the 0 point here. For a normal tan graph that's the right way up, that's at pi on 4, like this, or halfway there, between 0 and pi on 2. For this graph, we're only spanning from pi on 4 to pi on 2, so we've got to find the halfway point between those. So that'd be 2, let's think about that, 2 pi on 8 and 4 pi on 8, 3 pi on 8, guys. 3 pi on 8, that's it. I think we've cracked it. Yes, x equals 3 pi on 8. Alright, now, if you couldn't be bothered figuring all that out and going for option D, you could do it on the CAS. I'll just go over the screen and show you that for a TI handheld device. There it is, there's the syntax. Solve for tan of minus 2x equals 1, comma for x. Then outside the bracket, the given is, you have to put the given bit in, otherwise you'll get a general solution which will just confuse the living daylights out of you. So you've got to put the given that x is from 0 to pi on 2 inclusive, and it'll give you the one solution that you need. Okay, and just in case you're interested, here is the graph. Of course you don't have to do this, but I'm just showing you. So here is the y-axis over here, then it goes down there till there's the asymptote at pi on 4, then it comes back down here from positive infinity and hits the 1, the y equals 1 at x is 3 pi on 8, just as we predicted. Yes? Excellent, guys. I hope you got something out of that, and we'll see you soon.